Have you ever encountered a frustrating issue where your Word document attachments are showing up incorrectly in your email? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a problem with the Microsoft Graph API that many users are facing. I completely understand how concerning it is when your email attachments don't behave as expected. This issue can disrupt workflows and cause confusion. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this, and it's a significant problem for many users. Let's look at the specific situation that has been raised. A user reported that when they send an email with Word document attachments, the Microsoft Graph API is returning those attachments as message entities. This is not the expected behavior. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what exactly is happening here? When you send an email with Word document attachments, the Graph API should ideally return the email and its attachments separately. However, it seems to be misclassifying those attachments as part of the message entities, which is a major bug. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I will share a suggestion that could help prevent this issue from happening again in the future. To address the issue of Word document attachments being incorrectly returned as message entities, the user should first verify the behavior by sending an email with attachments. This step is crucial to reproduce the problem. Next, the user should run a query in Graph Explorer to check the response from the Microsoft Graph API. This will help confirm that the attachments are being returned incorrectly. Upon running the query, the user will notice that the response includes both the email object and one or more objects representing the file attachments. This indicates the issue at hand. To escalate this issue, the user should consider reporting it through the appropriate Microsoft support channels. Providing detailed information about the problem will help in getting a resolution. Lastly, the user may suggest implementing automated tests to prevent this issue from recurring in the future. This proactive approach can help maintain the integrity of the API. Fun fact: did you know that bugs in software can sometimes be like a game of whack-a-mole? You fix one and another pops up. It's a constant challenge for developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. I suggest that Microsoft consider implementing automated tests around this issue. This could help catch similar bugs before they affect users in the future. And there you have it. If you are experiencing this issue, you now know how to reproduce it and why it's happening. Remember, sharing your experiences can help improve the tools we all rely on. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and updates. In response to the issue, a user acknowledges the report and assures that the problem should be resolved soon. They express gratitude for bringing the issue to attention.